Bhagwan Gopinath Ji, 28th May 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, 1968. It was 28th May 1968 that the mortal remains of Bhagwan Gopinath Ji left his mortal remains. And then we are having Prashad today at this very auspicious place. And then you will have a feeling as if you have taken this Prashad practically. That is what is. You need to be in the queue. There's a long queue, ladies and gentlemen, very, very long queue in this Pamposh enclave in New Delhi. And then the ladies are doing their great job. Going out. Oh, that's great. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, mother. Thank you. God bless. Doing a great job. Thank you. No, it's all right. Thank you. What else? Acha Khergaon Pat. Khergaon Pat, and let me just enjoy it. Let me just take you around and to find out that who all are there. And it's very, very long, you know. Very long queue, and Kashmiri Pandits from all the NCR, Delhi NCR have come here. 1998. Namaskar, Daddy ji. Sikhote mola. Chalo, Daddy ji also had the refill. And then, ladies and gentlemen, Tresh bottle chamara ye thi. Tomara aag diyo. Jai Bajrang. Thank you. What? Normal cha? Normal. Thanda ya? Thanda. Mood. And then of course, Prashad. Finally Prashad. You know all the people. Namaskar. Yeah.
Manju didi hai na?
Manju didi cha busy thoda sa tai.
Magar parno uskinna. Na.
हाँ? कोई नहीं भाई ने?
देखिए बोलो। ये नीचे अंदर।
पिंटू। वही वाला? हाँ। लाजन करो। या ना। ना। God bless. Thank you, Mara. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the Shiv Mandir, or very beautiful mandir.